Welcome to Cloudality's RCA educational series. In this video, we'll explore how Medaforge streamlines order processing using Salesforce Orders, order management, and Dynamic Revenue Orchestrator, or DRO. Order orchestration in DRO automates the fulfillment process, ensuring every step happens in the correct sequence, from inventory checks to shipping and billing, all the way to delivery. It also keeps customer service reps informed on order status and directs each task to the right user or system. We start with a finalized approved quote. Click on Create Order. With one click, the sales rep converts it into an order. The system automatically carries over products, quantities, prices, and terms, reducing manual entry and avoiding errors. In the Related section of the Ordered Products tab lists all products, and under the Order Product Relationships tab, you'll find child products that are part of a bundle, with links to their main order product. Next, we go to the Shipping and Billing Information section and fill in the Bill To Contact field, which specifies which contact on the account will be billed. Now we activate the order and submit it for fulfillment. Click Submit Order, then Submit. In the Fulfillment Lines tab, we can see both the ordered products and any decomposed products. The Decomposed Products section shows how certain order products are broken down into the items or services needed for fulfillment. For example, the gas refill is linked to the oxygen cylinder product, while the installation service is linked to the hematology analyzer kit. Configuring decomposed products ensures nothing is missed during fulfillment, and each component can be tracked with its own fulfillment order. Here, the orchestration plan status is in progress. Let's click on View Orchestration Plan. This plan outlines every step to deliver and activate products and services for our customer. We begin with the Procure and Prepare stage, where the first task is Check Order and Inventory, a manual task to verify product availability. Once done, we click Complete. The next step is a call-out to procure, pack, and coordinate with our supplier systems, which we also mark complete when finished. This stage ends with the Preparation Complete milestone, which is updated automatically once the preceding steps are done. In the Delivery and Installation stage, we start with shipping and scheduling delivery, another call-out to an external system. Once complete, we mark it accordingly. We then have a manual task, Await Hospital Readiness, where we wait for confirmation before moving forward. Once confirmed, we perform on-site installation, another manual task handled by our engineers. When installation is complete, we mark it done. This is followed by the Installation Complete milestone, which is automatically achieved and serves as a progress marker for this stage. After installation, we proceed to Regulatory Activation, which ensures compliance and certification requirements are met before the solution goes live. Once complete, we mark it done. In the Activation and Closure stage, billing initiation and the fulfilled milestone happen automatically as soon as regulatory activation is completed. Now let's go back to the Order page, then Fulfillment Lines tab. Here you can see the orchestration plan status is changed to completed. By defining these steps, whether manual, callout, or milestone, Salesforce ensures each task happens in the right order, every dependency is tracked, and nothing is missed in delivering the complete solution. And that's how an order flows through its fulfillment orchestration plan in Salesforce RCA, from preparation to activation and closure. With Salesforce RCA, Medaforge ensures every stage is executed efficiently, dependencies are managed seamlessly, and customers receive their solutions on time. Thank you for watching Cloudality's RCA educational series. In our next video, we'll explore assets in RCA, how Medaforge uses asset management to track delivered products, manage post-installation services, and provide complete lifecycle visibility for both the business and the customer. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to us at team@cloudality.com.